Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Music Lab and creating a new project. Set the BPM and key so everything lines up. Once done, enable your audio input and choose the correct interface, then set the buffer to 128 to 256 milliseconds for reliable monitoring. Import samples or arm a track and record directly, using the metronome and loop range to capture consistent takes. As you work, organize tracks into groups and name them so you can find elements fast. Next, you move into editing and arranging. Use grid snapping for precise cuts and switch to free mode when you need micro adjustments. Apply EQ, compression, and transient shaping on each track to carve space and control dynamics, and automate send levels for reverb and delay to add depth. For MIDI parts, open the piano roll, quantize sparingly, then humanize velocity and timing so the performance breathes. Make sure to create marker sections for intro, verse, and chorus to speed navigation. Finally, you focus on mixing and exporting. Balance levels against a reference track, group stems to buses for parallel processing, and add final master EQ and gentle compression. Once satisfied, export either stems or a full mix. Choose 24-bit WAV for masters and 320 kbps MP3 for quick sharing. If you encounter clicks or audio dropouts, check your audio driver and buffer settings, monitor CPU spikes, and freeze heavy tracks or increase the buffer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.